We are pleased to show you the 2024 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, LED headlights, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.